Now, time for something a little bit more fun, DT. So, you will have read in your life, I'm sure, pop-up books that where you turn the page and things pop up. And my particular favourite is when you have a book, you turn the page and you can move bits and bobs around. And that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to learn how to make a slider. And I discovered this last week and I thought it's so clever. I wanted you to have a go at this as well. So, what you're going to need, 2 strips of paper, thinly cut like this. Nothing complicated at all. It doesn't matter if they're different sizes. It doesn't matter if it's scrap paper, because actually we're just doing a practice today. We're practicing how to create a slider. If you've got one of these, get it right, a hole punch, that would be really, really handy because you will need something that can make some holes. So I've got my thicker piece of paper here, okay? And using the hole punch, I'm just going to slide it in and make 2 holes, okay? Then on the other side, directly opposite, I'm going to try to make 2 more holes carefully. That will do. Okay. That actually I'm not liking that one too much. I'm going to do that again. So yeah, that's a bit better. Ignore those 2 holes. Look at these 2 holes. That's much better. Now watch what I'm going to do. With a pair of scissors, I'm going to snip upwards from one hole to the other, and I'm going to repeat the same with the other side. Please be really careful when you're cutting with the scissors, okay? Now I'm having to hold it up like this for the camera, but in actual fact I wouldn't hold it like that because that's not a good way to cut. You probably would do it flat on the table. So I'm ignoring those 2 silly holes that I made. I'm looking at this here and this here, and you will see that I've made a part that raises up. This is where we have made a sliding mechanism, because now you see that other piece of paper that I had? I can stick a shape on the top, I can stick a unicorn head on the top, I can stick let me think of something that jumps up and down, a frog or a rabbit, picture of one of those on the top. I'm going to be very boring and actually just stick one of my words from phonics. So browse. I'm going to stick browse onto my piece of paper just with a little bit of glue. Just a tad bit of glue there. Okay. And stick browse on. Okay, now here's my piece of paper that I cut up earlier. I'm going to slide this paper, feed it through, one through way, comes out the other way, and if you look, it's not very stable because it's made out of paper, but if you look, this is a sliding mechanism because my word browse can go up and down, up and down, up and down, just by making a simple sliding mechanism like that. Why don't you have a practice and then put some pictures up to show me how yours went? Because mine is a little bit boring. I'm sure yours are going to be more exciting than mine. So we're not using card today, just paper. And I look forward to seeing your creations. Speak to you later. Bye.